Are you one of the thousands of fans that are coming into Cardiff for the rugby? Here's a quick guide to ensure that you get to the stadium on time and back home again as safely as possible. The trains will be extremely busy in the Cardiff area, especially the Valley services, so make sure you get the earliest train to travel into Cardiff so you don't miss that kick-off. You can check our capacity checker to find out if there's trains with space. Ticket checks will be in operation throughout the day, so make sure you have a valid ticket for your journey before getting on the train. You can buy your tickets before you travel or use the TFW Rail app. We work closely with the BTP to ensure everyone's safety, so make sure you wear your mask for the entire journey, and remember, it's the law here in Wales. Whilst you're on the train, why not try our new Instagram filter and share it with everyone? Don't forget to tag us in your post. When you arrive in Cardiff, remember to follow instructions from Transport for Wales staff, and remember to follow the signs to the stadium. When you get close to the Principality Stadium, make sure that you have your COVID pass ready and join the correct queue. Once the game is finished, make your way over to Cardiff Central Station. There'll be a queuing system in place, so make sure you join the correct queue for your train home. Please be patient with our staff. We'll be doing our very best to make sure you all get home as safely and as quickly as possible.